to unbox an mbNETFIX for you straight from NB Connect line. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and take it out, nicely packaged. Got the bubble wrap, put that aside, and here we are with the NETFIX box. You can see here that nice attention to detail here is that they have a cutout in the box showing serial number and both the LAN and WAN MAC addresses for this unit with a 2D barcode. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is in there. Take this slider out. It's connected with tape. There is a USB cable, and here is very securely packaged. There we go, finally unlocked the secret code there. The mbNETFIX itself with a removable connector, 3 LAN ports, a WAN, and here is the USB cable for the programming. See their information here. Here's that MAC and LAN address, and then there is some other detailed information here. That USB cable is the same connector that's going to plug right into here. We have this little jumper here, which puts it into bridge mode according to this description. And here is the German version of the instructions. Here's the English of the quick startup guide. It has some useful information in it on the difference between the bridge and the gateway modes and what comes in it. And of course, specifications. And then how to use the bridge mode and how to use the gateway mode here. And with that, we're going to take a look at the software.